Been feeling like your wallet took a beating? Yeah, you're definitely not the only one. But here's the good news. We're switching things up starting right now. I've cooked up a new strategy that'll have you bouncing back fast. Stay with me, because the real magic is hidden in the little details most folks completely overlook. Thinking about dropping your own crypto coin and seeing it go viral? You've landed in the perfect spot. I'm going to walk you through each step so it's smooth and straight to the point. But heads up, this space moves fast, and if you hesitate, the window of opportunity disappears quick. The truth is, pump fun's been all over the place recently. You've got tokens launching nonstop and dying just as quick, and any good plays? They've already been taken. Most of the savvy crowd has already moved on. What remains are newer folks diving in without thinking it through. If you've seen how this goes before, sitting back and watching could be the smart move. No joke, meme coins are popping up constantly, and it's easy for you to get lost in the chaos. The key is finding a way to rise above the noise so people actually notice what you're putting out there. Still tossing Sol into random meme coins hoping for a moonshot? That era is done. These days, it's all about playing smart, and Radium is where the sharp players are locking in. Stack it next to Pump Fun and the gap is clear. Radium runs smoother, responds quicker, and gives you more control. And those wild liquidity jumps? They're baked into the system, and I'll walk you through how to turn them into your edge. With Radium in the mix, everything's chilled enough to make launching your own token a pretty smart idea. The energy's still there, so timing's on our side. Just remember, if you're not too handy with code, it could get a bit tricky. But here's the good part. Don't stress, this part's a breeze. I've played around with several tools, and Moontool is the one that syncs perfectly with Radium. It's really popping off right now, and it doesn't matter how tech-savvy you are. You won't need to write any code. I'll break down exactly how to use it in the smartest way possible. We're starting from scratch, and the first thing your crypto needs is a solid visual identity. Open Canva and go with a 128 by 128 pixel layout. Find something totally attention-grabbing, a meme, something bizarre, or straight up hilarious. Personally, I'm dropping in the Fortnite gritty emote because it always gets a reaction. Center it, save it, and there you have it. Your coin finally has a face people won't forget. Now go to Moontool and connect your wallet. I'm rolling with Phantom since it's quick and straightforward. Put in your token's full name and its symbol. Mine are going to be Get Gritty and GG. There's a space for a description, so if you've got a killer slogan or a smart one-liner, throw it in there to make your token stand out. Upload your logo, click Next, and you're at the halfway point. Now we set the supply. This is step 1 on this screen. Easiest move? Keep it at a cool 1 billion tokens. That number tends to work best for meme projects, no cap. Once you've dropped that in, hit Next, and let's keep moving. You'll now see the creator setup screen. It gives you the option to spend 0.1 Sol to link your name or info to the coin. It's not a must-do, so no stress if you skip it. I personally don't bother and save that Sol for later. Go ahead and hit Next to keep it moving. Then there's the social media section. It's kind of like the last step, asking for your links. But honestly, Radium already has way more visibility than a brand new Twitter or Telegram group could give you right now. If you've got solid social accounts running, go ahead and drop them in. I didn't have anything set up, so I just kept it moving. This next section is key. It controls what changes you can still make after your token's out there. You'll spot 3 toggle switches, but changing any might worry buyers. Freeze allows you to lock wallets, which seems dodgy. Minting means you can create more tokens down the line. And Update Authority lets you edit your token's info later. Best move? Revoke all 3 options. So don't mess with the toggles. Just smash that Launch My Token Now button. You'll see a few pop-ups from your wallet asking for permission. Don't worry, that's normal. Hit approve on each one, and just like that, your token's out there on the blockchain. It's a great feeling, like a pat on the back for all the steps you just took. Once your token's launched, hit that final button on Moontool. It'll take you straight to SolScan. That's where you can double check that your contract is live and locked in. From here, it only gets more exciting. Next up is creating the liquidity pool, and that's where the action really kicks off. Okay, this is the most important part. You have to add liquidity. If you don't, no one will be able to buy or sell your token. From Moontool, click the second option to fire up the liquidity setup on Radium. Connect your wallet. I'm using Phantom because it's super fast and works perfectly. If you don't see your wallet connecting right away, or you use another wallet, just click the button in the top right. You're going to need your token's address, so go grab it from either SolScan or Moontool. I usually just snag it from Moontool because it's right there. Back on Radium, Paste the address in, then type your token's name and symbol, miner GG, and get gritty. Click Add User Token, and you'll see your full 1 billion token supply pop up in the dropdown. Your first move is to add 900 million tokens to the liquidity pool. Make sure Solana is chosen as the quote token before you go ahead. You'll also need to add some Solana yourself, usually between 0.6 and 2 works best. Remember to keep about 0.2 Solana in reserve for transaction fees down the road. Check that the fee tier is set at 2% to avoid any issues when trading starts. Feel free to adjust the fee tier if you want. 2% is the default and usually works great, but you can experiment with 1% or even 0.5% if you're interested. Pick whatever suits your game plan. When you're ready, hit Initialize Liquidity Pool, approve the Phantom prompt, and your liquidity pool will be ready to go. One last thing. Hop into Photon real quick and confirm that the Radium CPMM view is enabled. If you don't do this, your token might not even show up. Radium is way more powerful than Pump Fun because it gives your project lasting visibility and stability. Don't get distracted. We've got more steps to go through. Let's get your token charted up. You need to get your token address from either Moontool or SolScan. Just pick one. After that, head to Deck Screener, pick a random token, and then just change the address in the URL to your token's address. Your token's chart will pop up. You might see some early bot trades, but once the line starts heading up, that's when you know your token is getting real attention. Keep watching because I've got one more crucial thing to show you. Alright, jump on Radium and hit the Portfolio tab to look at your liquidity. Make sure that standard mode is switched on. Don't stress if it's not loading immediately. Sometimes Radium takes as long as 15 minutes to update its info. Just be patient. We're going to come back to this, but first I want to take a second look at that chart. Well guys, as you can see, I've been watching the action for about 44 minutes now, and we've managed to get the coin we created to skyrocket. Liquidity is already at $400, and it looks incredible, really. In this short time, I've seen everything, buying and selling at full speed. I'm calling it here for this video. I'm happy with how everything turned out, so stay tuned for the next step. When you're ready to collect your rewards, go to Radium and see if your wallet is connected. If it's not, you need to click the button in the right corner. Set the view to standard mode, find your specific liquidity position, and then press the minus button. This is the simple way to get your tokens back in your wallet. Slide the bar all the way to 100% to pull out everything you have staked. Take a look at the SOL amount below. That's what you'll receive. Go ahead and click Remove Liquidity, confirm the transaction in your wallet, and you're good to go. The platform takes care of the rest for you. For those who want to make money fast, this strategy is definitely the play. Roughly 90% of new coins that drop this way blow up instantly. That's what happened with our project. And if you're one of the first ones in, or if you're the one starting a new coin, you can push the gains even higher. The people who act the fastest are the ones who get rewarded. Everyone else just gets left in the dust. So keep your eyes glued to the screen, follow these steps to the letter, and be lightning quick. Your timing is super important. Catch you on the flip side.